Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out another case from Google, and this time I have their translucent cases for the Google Pixel 6 and also for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So I have the lime greenish color for both of them. However, they are a little different for both of these devices, just like the colors that are made for these devices. So let's go ahead and open these up. Here we have some pretty nice packaging. It's really simple and it looks really nice. It gives you a little image of what the case will look like, and then also the name and a nice little Google logo. So on the back we have some information. So translucent case for, and then it probably says Pixel 6 Pro right there, and it does the same for the Pixel 6 as well. So translucent case for Pixel 6. So here to open this up, we're going to be pulling this tab right here. So let's just go ahead and pull this, and once you pull that open, you are immediately shown the case. So you get this little pull thingy, so you just pull that out, and here you have the case, and then there's nothing else inside of this little box. So I'm sorry if you can hear my bird in the background. It's trying to tell me to let her inside of the room, but I will not be doing that right now. So here we have the one for the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and then here is the one for the Pixel 6. So let's go ahead and open this up. Boom. And then another pull tab, so same packaging, and it's really easy to open up, and you can immediately check out your cases. So it's really nice packaging with these cases. So here we have something inside of these. So let's just pull this out, and then that's about it for the Pixel 6 case. However, with the Pixel 6 Pro, we actually get something else. So hashtag Team Pixel, it says something on the back right here. However, for the one on the Pixel 6, it doesn't say anything. So the 6 Pro, you get a little letter with some warranty stuff, and then on the Pixel 6, oh, okay, my bad. So it's on this side for the Pixel 6 and this side for the Pixel 6 Pro. So let's go and put these to the side and check out our cases. And here we have the translucent case for the Pixel 6 Pro, and this looks really nice actually, and feels really nice in the hand. So we have a nice camera cutout. We have a nice little Google logo, which is actually a piece that's actually inserted inside of there. So I'm not sure how long that will last. I believe Google made a pretty good case, and they probably made this with some really strong glue, or else they wouldn't be making it like that. And then we have the same thing with the Pixel 6 case as well. So it's a yellow accent color, and on the Pixel 6 Pro case, it is a green accent color. So that is really nice. So let's go ahead and actually put these cases on top of our phone. So here we have the Pixel 6 Pro. Let me go ahead and wipe this down real quick. Boom. I do have the black variant of the Pixel 6 Pro. And let's go ahead and put this on. So really easy to put on. Just goes on right away. And then for the Pixel 6, let's go ahead and wipe this down as well. I do have the orangish color. I forgot the name for these. Google does name their colors a little weirdly. However, they do make sense. Let's put this on the Pixel 6. A little harder on here. Okay, and boom. So here we have the Pixel 6 case on top of its phone. So these do feel really nice in the hand right away. I can go ahead and tell you that. They look great. They have a nice feel to it. They have this nice matte finish to it. They do seem really nice. However, it is a little different out of translucency. It's kind of weird, but it does look great, so that's all that matters to me. And then on the Pixel 6, it's the same thing. So on the Pixel 6, when compared, this actually has a larger chin, since the bottom of the phone has a larger chin as well. This actually covers up most of the chin, and it makes it look like the chin is actually smaller on this side, on the bottom portion of the phone. So let me go ahead and open this phone up, and it makes the chin look a tad bit smaller since it is covering that portion. However, on the Pixel 6 Pro, since you don't really need that, it doesn't cover as much as the one on the Pixel 6, and still does cover it pretty decently. But that is a nice addition that Google actually made. They actually used that black portion of the display to add some more protection to the bottom portion of the phone and make it look better in an aesthetic way. So let's go ahead and go check out the buttons real quick. So let's go ahead and go with the Pixel 6 Pro. Okay, so it's really easy to click, and then on the Pixel 6, probably the same. Really easy to click. So Google obviously knows what their phones are like, because they made these phones, and they probably made the best case in terms of clickiness, I guess. They knew that their customers don't want something hard to press on, and it's basically the same amount of force that you're applying when you don't have a case on, which is really nice. That's one of the great things I love about cases, when they actually get this right, when case brands get that right, because sometimes some cases, they're a little too thick and it's hard to click the buttons in it. It just gives extra, you have to give extra effort. It does take a little while to get used to it, and overall it's kind of annoying. So case wise looks, this looks really nice. Our camera bump is actually covered up really well. However, on the sides, the portions that aren't actually used as a camera, I wish they actually covered it up, because you would get some extra protection on these corners. As you can see, this actually connects the whole camera right here all across the display, all across the phone. And it would be nice if Google added a little more protection on the portions that don't actually have a camera and don't have any need or any use. So it does look better, and I do like it a lot more. I did have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case, and as you can see, it actually covers up those portions. Personally, this does look better. However, if you do want something that will protect your camera a little better, this Ultra Hybrid actually did the thing I was talking about. So it covers up the portion that isn't actually being used as the camera. So the camera portion is only this much on both of these devices, and Google didn't cover it up. As I said, it does look better. However, it would be nice if we had some more protection on that camera, since that camera lens is pretty big for a phone like this. So other than that, our ports and cutouts are made perfectly. Obviously, Google made this phone. They probably know how to make their case as well. And then our speaker cutout, they have this nice little area that they actually cut out a little more into the case, so you can have access to your speaker and no issues with sound. They do the same thing with the Pixel 6 case as well. And overall, these look and feel pretty nice. So the front portion is actually raised a little, as you can see. So if you do drop it front facing, you probably will have more protection on the front portion, since these will be the corners that actually hit the ground first and impact with the ground. And that's the same case with this one right here. However, as you can see, since the Pixel 6 Pro has this edge display, you can't really actually go above that. And that is kind of an annoying thing about edge displays. They are a little more fragile, because you're able to break it easier since you have more areas to actually impact with the surrounding area that you actually drop it onto. However, they have made the top and bottom portions higher than the display, so if you do drop it and you're lucky enough to just hit it on a flat floor with the face just hitting it straight down like this, you'll probably be lucky. However, if you hit any edges, you will manage to crack your display, which is annoying. So overall, these cases are really great. They do cost a little bit compared to other cases, but if that doesn't bother you, these are some nice cases that you can go out and pick up. I will be leaving a link down below so you can actually check these out. And this is basically going to wrap it up for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, as it helps support the channel greatly, and it'll help me create better content, make better content for y'all. So see y'all in the next video.